Batuhan.
bad. Really
Walang
bad.
masalok
Really,
ni isang
really,
patak ng
really
tubig.
bad. So guys, I
Sinubukan na raw
released
nilang humingi ng
something.
tulong sa
I released
gobyerno.
a play.
Pero
You know
ito
guys,
lang ang ibinigay sa kanila.
that
Mga
my account,
sementadong
this is not
tangke ng
my
tubig
account, this is
na
actually
pwede raw
a
gamitin
new account because
pangsalok
I
ng
have to
ulan.
get rid of my old one. And guys, there's something I gotta tell
5
you.
buwan nang hindi umuulan sa isla
So
ng Zapatos.
I released
Pero
this
patuloy
like
kanilang
this
dasal
game.
na
I
sana
literally told you guys
bukas
about
makalawa,
all of the things like
mabigyan na sila
these
ng
ones.
kalangitan.
Yeah guys, like this. And I forgot it was still part 1. It was actually, I thought there was no more to upload, and then it says part 1. I forgot to do part 2 guys, so this is part 2. It's 4 weeks ago. I'm sorry guys, it's 4 weeks ago, sorry. My promises, promise. So
Dahil
guys,
wala silang balon
I
o kahit
literally
anong
gotta
pagkukunan ng tubig sa isla, sa biyaya ng
So
tubig
guys, we're
ulan,
doing more
umaasa
part
ang
2
buong
in
isla ng Zapatos.
part 2, so you better watch.
Pero ayon sa
Okay,
mga
we're now
eksperto,
level 3.
hindi
So I
garantisadong
think we're
malinis
gonna
ang
go
tubig ulan.
to something.
Ang
Stage
sabi
1,
tayo ng
baby
Yes.
stage.
Hindi pa rin
It says
inumin.
baby stage. What a
Kailangan
baby
talaga
stage is.
i-sanitize yun.
So guys,
Kasi
oh my god,
namimix yun
I
yung mga
love this
particles
sound.
ng air,
It's so
pollution,
ASMR.
chemicals.
I get to this.
So, magkakasakit ang mga...
And I need to do level 8, so let's do level 8
Pero bakit
guys.
nga ba
Boom.
walang
I'm still
nakukuhay
at
na
level
tubig
3,
sa
so
isla
I
ng
guess you can
Zapatos?
guys skip me.
Most
Guys, I'm finally almost at the end. Just gonna do one more. It says level 8 recommended and I'm still level 7. And guys, if you watch this video, can you maybe subscribe and like the video? That will help our channels a lot. We don't got a lot of subscribers. I only got 5, and can you maybe like this video guys? If it's not here, I'm just here for fun. Alright guys, on this. Try to help us out. Oh my gosh. Try to help us out guys. We're gonna do it. Oh my god. I almost stepped here guys. Oh my god. Sorry. Someone is talking to my ears right now. Alright, we're now in level 8, guys. Now zoom. Let's go. I'm now level 8. I need to level 10. Well, I need 2 more levels. This is gonna be a hard one, guys. Oh my gosh. Milo's here. Malo. So guys, we're gonna do this boom. Because boom, we can acquire these. How do I do this? This and this. Oh my snap. Okay, I guess we upgrade. Now let's go guys. Zoom. Boom. Ah! I died. This is gonna be a long day for me guys. Wait, what is this? Huh? Oh, I see. Oh my gosh. Ow. Gosh. Booger. What little Zimmer? How about let's do a challenge, guys? Oh my gosh. Bop, bim, boom. Let's go. I'm level 9, guys. And I can be at the stage. Why this is big? Oh my gosh. This one is small. That one is big. What's the difference of being big? Alright guys, let's go. Boom! Level it. Now let's go. Oh my god. And then boom. Run. Yeah, okay. Okay, I survived guys. I need level 15 recommended. Can I just walk in? Okay, no. Guys, and this gonna take me a while. Guys. Oh my gosh, what is this? Alert. So guys, it's almost done. We have to do it. Ay, sorry. No. Milo. We have 3 cats and the name is Milkshake, Milky, Milo. Go, go, go. We're finally. Boom! No! No kain. No kain. Boom. Boom! Oh my god, Joes! Why this is all so big jumpies? How did he? 20 is crazy. Revive to level 5 now. Let's see how we need 15 wings only. Ay, God! Go! Okay, this one is hard. Oh my god. Ay, let's go to the good section. Parang sinabi ni Warren na tapos na. So small. This one is not small. Like, what did you even do to you? How is she? Oh, she's walking by the side. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, me. Get your hands up, baby. Get the hands up. Okay, guys. Ito na naman, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, it's been a while and it's still not doing anything or I'm fast. But it's still not going. Let's see. Boom. Baba. Nini. Guys, this is like actually my keyboard. Look. Hear that, guys? That is my keyboard. Somehow, but I never use it.
Isinusubo pa niya. Pero bakit tila hindi yata umubra ngayon ang kanyang virtud?
I keep getting on my keyboard. Like, you gotta jump like this.
Ang kakaibang kakayahan ni Danny.
Like, that is not the thing. I'm pressing.
Natatnan ng
Pressing, bro. I'm
ang
pressing.
pupulan na ng mga tao
Bruh.
sa tapat ng kanyang bahay.
Keep pressing.
Nakahanda na rin pati ang
Okay,
makakasama
come
niya sa
on.
kanyang
There's gotta be
performance.
somewhere.
Ang kaibigan daw niya,
Let's go. Oh my god, we almost fell there.
Okay,
Yes, guys.
sa aquarium.
Time to go.
Pinasalan
3,
muna ito ni Danny.
2, 1, go. I think he's look bad.
Bilis namang pumosisyon
Bruh.
ang cobra.
Let's go.
Pero
Hello,
nung
madam.
itinaas ni Danny ang kanyang kamay,
Are you single? Yo. Shoo! What about spark on the
sa
side?
kalagitnaan ng
Yeah, oh my god. Yeah. You can walk into the sides, guys. Boom. Bop. Bam. Boom. Gosh. Lim. Boom. 20 wins back, guys.
ang aming team may dala-dalang anti-venom
So,
at
guys,
medical
3,
staff. Pero si Danny tumanggi na
1, go.
magpatulong ng anti-venom.
Oh my
Kaya
gosh.
sinipsip niya ang dugo.
Namatay na ako.
Prayer book na may mukha ni
Ilan ba
Jesu
yun,
Cristo.
guys? 15 wins, 100 wins. Kailangan natin ng 15 wins, guys. So, kailangan natin 50 wins. Sige, guys. Boom, boom. Mama. Wala naman ginawa sa akin. Boom. Pumunta siya doon. Hindi naman ako pumunta dyan. Guys, oh my god, chocolate to, guys. Okay, 20 wins. Tapos, punta na tayo dito, guys. Tingnan mo, pag na-click mo dyan, boom. Oh, equipped dito, okay, 5 step. Tapos na yun, guys. Mag-rebirth talaga ako, guys. Okay, rebirth time. Okay guys, nag-set na ako
Dito sa KMJS ang kwento ni Danny. Tuloy
So, guys,
ang
I'm gonna get
pakikipagtulong
back,
niya sa
so-
mga ahas. Ng anak
Guys,
na si
I
Nino,
finally-
na noon nasa
finally
sila ng Baybay,
got
Luzon, sa Leyte.
Maraming tumatawag sa akin, pinalan pa ako sa ospital.
Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Bim, 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 bim.
Kagat ng ahas. Pero ko sa kaya, most probably, a snake bite.
Ow!
Kapag kinagatin ng king cobra, yung unang mangyayari ay swelling sa kamay.
So, we need 100 wins.
dizziness, shortness of breath, yung nakakamatay
We need
talaga
100
yung
wins.
paralysis, yung lungs will stop working,
Zoom.
total organ failure.
Nalulungkot din kasi hindi namin yun nasahan.
Ang mga labi ni Danny nakaburol ngayon sa bahay ni Danilo sa bayan ng Bato.
Why did I stop?
Pinablan sa na ano.
Coming in, I wanted to apologize. Every give me lies, give me butterflies. Something in the way looking through my eyes. I don't know I can make it out alive. Like so turning my God, so sweet. Sock so pretty when I'm naughty. Like don't let
Pag nasa multing phase kasi yung ahas, they are irritable and they are highly vulnerable. So may possible talaga nakakagat talaga sila. Yung kamandag talaga niya is sobrang lakas.
Did you give me lies? Give me
lies.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Eating guys.
Pero sa tinagal-tagal ng pag-aalaga ng ahas ni Danny,
Guys, I'm
bakit tilang ngayon lang tumalab sa kanya ang kamandag ng cobra?
I mean, I can do that. I can do that, right? So guys,
Madaling puntahan
it's now
ang pinangyarihan
gone.
ng insidente.
Oh my gosh, I need to make it to the safe zone. 35? Are you kidding me?
15 na tao
Oh
ang
my
namatay sa
gosh,
lugar
it
na
is
ito.
like a
Sa barangay Salamanca, bayan ng Toboso sa Negros Occidental.
Alright, so let's
Sa isang
go.
insidente ng karahasan na ayon sa
Let's
militar,
equip that now. Let's go. Diba, nagagagat nga ako, Papa. Hey!
Masusi itong
That's why.
investigahan.
That's why
Ayon
it's
sa
there.
NPA, sa 11 na namatay, 10 lang ang kanilang miyembro o mga armado. Ang
No.
isang raw ay
No.
mga sibilyan.
No.
Kabilang na
Guys,
ang dalawang
guys,
estudyante
guys!
ng University of the
Guys, I got,
Philippines o UP.
baka may rabies na ako guys kasi na-scratch ako ni
O
Milo.
mga Filipino-Americans.
Ito
Dalawang
kuya,
mayroong
oh.
edad.
Uy,
Isang
milk tablet
community
ko. Kuya,
journalist.
tingnan mo. Ito.
Nakapanayam po ito si Lieutenant Colonel Eric Alfonso,
Scratch yan
Battalion
ba?
Commander ng 79th
Scratch
Infantry
yan?
Battalion ng Philippine Army.
On 18
Ano
April,
yan?
we received information po about the presence of this terrorist group nandito sa
Sispray ko lang.
Salamanca. Itong grupo nga nitong si
Guys,
Roger Padilla
I'm so scared.
alias Jong.
Scaredy
Arnel
ka.
Tapak.
Ang nakasagupa raw ng mga sundalo,
Ay, hindi pala ako
commander ng
pag
Northern
guys
Negros
na-divert.
Front ng
Nag-divert
NPA.
na ako
Bigyan na lang ako
guys.
siya ng reward. Sino
Oh
mga
my Lord.
puro makakahuli sa kanya. Dahil
Nag-divert.
lang sa mga violence at mga pagpatay na ginagawa niya.
Time to go, guys. Boom, boom.
Kilala ang grupo
Boom.
ng
I'm
Kabila
upgrading
sa
so fast,
pagtutuloy
guys.
at pagtugis ng mga pinaghihinalaan
So
nilang
much fast.
espiya. Sa CCTV
Oh my God, how
footage
did you do
nito,
that jump?
nakuha
So,
April
Kuya's
2,
playing with me, guys.
2025, na i-record
I'm outrunning the sea. I'm outrunning the sea.
ang pinaghihinalaan nilang espiya. Grupo
Not
rin daw
outrunning
na
the sea.
pamilyar ang
How,
pinuntirya
nasaan
sa
ka ba?
isang
Wala,
tanod
hindi
sa
kita
katabing
nakita.
syudad ng Escalante.
Guys, this
Hanggang
is
nakatanggap daw
immediately
ng
perfect.
kanya ng tip ang mga
I
sundalo.
am now in 25 how much needed.
Manang, hihintayin kita dito sa taas, man. Pag gusto mo na maligo if you don't kick me.
Umaga. Doon ko nangyari yung first
Never-
encounter
never
dito
ban me
sa
unfriend.
Sitio Sinugmawan.
Mga ganong
We
kalaki.
got a deal. Promise.
Promise.
2.5
Pinky
to 3
promise.
kilometers from here.
Doon ho
So,
nagsimula
guys,
yung putukan.
In the
tama?
meantime,
Tapos,
Kuya always get,
Papalapit
he
sa
literally
armadong
saying,
grupo. Nauna
alis
sila.
na ako. Tapos
Nangyari
sabi ko,
doon,
no!
sumunod yung ating tropa, isang ating sundalo. Doon ko naging start yung
911, what's your emergency?
Yes po.
palitan ng putok.
There's someone joining my game po.
recover yung mga
May no.
Hindi yan. Immediately, nung pagdiwanag ko,
Nagagagat niya yung mga tablet namin.
Dito sa tinatak nila. Yung mga concerned citizen po na nagsabi na dito nga po yung direction. No,
Papa!
group po na to. Immediately,
Papa!
tropa natin is
Wait lang guys.
Sagatin ko si
Guys, back.
Dito ko sa City Plaza. Tama po.
Just going on a little.
Eventually, mga nakatakas po rito.
Nonchalant.
Sa palaisdaan.
Siguro, nung type pa
I just hit the jackpot!
may nakatakas according sa tropa natin.
Alert.
Yun po yung
Alert.
mga possible na nahuli.
So guys,
Wanna watch
Nung
this?
22
so guys,
So ito, mga tama ng bala.
guys, tingnan mo guys. Bakit hindi ako nakaka-get guys? Paano ako get killed? Paano ako maka-get killed guys? Tingnan mo. Hindi ako killed. Wala akong hacks guys. Tingnan mo. Walang hacks. Wala. Tingnan mo guys. Tapos ito guys, ano to? Wala ako pumunta sa stage 6.
Pag minatch, you're saying
I got
are you
45.
Yeah.
I should write this. But I got 45 and I have 45.
I have to do it guys.
Be the one who will magsasabi ko because after the
Go!
encounter,
Run! Run!
for the Soko to
55 people naman. Oh my gosh.
Pero ang mga pamilya
Go.
na mga namatay,
Guys, tingnan mo yung wave.
sa parata
Chocolate.
na
Tapos
puro sila
donuts,
mga miyembro
ice
ng
cream,
NPA,
lollipops.
katulad ni
Ano yan?
Ruel
Cupcake.
Sabino.
I'm not making
Oh
that.
my god. We need 3 more guys. 3 more. Nag-fly naman si kuya guys.
Ayon sa kanyang kapatid na si Rosemary.
No, is that a
Sabado,
bacon?
April 18.
Yo, he got what?
Ang kapatid nilang si Ruel.
Guys, I couldn't buy nothing.
Pagkalinggo, hindi sa
He got the blue shell? I want the 100. Guys, he gives 5 boosts. I need 100 rainbow trap.
Lunes sa online niya nakita.
Okay guys, we need 2 more boosts.
Anong reaction niyo nung nakita niyo na gano'n?
Ah!
Bakit nandoon siya?
Guys, tingnan mo. Ang ganda.
Ano to si
Oh my god! Ay! Paliwang stage.
araw-araw nandiyan sa kanila sa pag-reply namin nung wala kang magmas.
Ito yung huling picture.
Punta tayo sa secret natin guys. Secret base. Kuya, tignan mo. If you actually go here, you won't get killed. Look. 3, 2, 1.
Dito sa bato, sa kalito.
So you actually can cheat without using hacks. Hacks is not a thing, guys. Do not do hacks, guys. It's bad.
Madness hug.
Yeah.
Let me just give me my TP to
baliw ka. Ang TP ka lang sa baby section.
I'm just testing it out.
Nagulat na lang
Yeah.
daw si tatay.
Brr.
Nalitaan niya sa Facebook.
Bye!
Kasama ito sa labing siya
I
na
was
napatay.
scared for that.
Tatay Arturo, kamusta po kayo?
Let's TP here, TP here. Then I
Oh
could,
god. I feel it!
then I'm gonna test.
No.
Oh my
The power of what?
Wala the power of TP.
Nasaan ka?
Power of TP.
Nawala siya, tapos hinanap niyo. Gano'n ka
Bro, die.
I was dead. I almost died.
LTE daw yung mga namatay.
Okay guys, we have to be super careful to not fall in the edge. They gotta fix the hack, guys. They gotta fix it. We come back and
Dash tool. Yeah, time to dash tool. TP.
No, bones. He keeps TPing.
Mga estudyante ng University of the Philippines sa UP Diliman.
Hey, I blew
That was a perfect
Si
timing.
Alisa Alano.
When you put it in a ballot.
Sa interview niya sa Philippine Collegiate ang Student Publication ng UP.
Oh, platform.
I am not going.
I got a platform too.
Ang kanyang pulang buhok.
So guys, we have to go. We have to escape.
When I got
We are on 4 right now, guys. We are on 4. I never. Oh my gosh, why are you building?
Inaalam niya yung social reality ng bansa for
Guys,
the
he's
UST
building a
to have initiatives
platform.
na
Kuya, you know the hack?
demands ng mga community.
You guys, come on, let's go.
I'm walking through air.
Hindi miyembro ng NPA
Okay, guys, that to be super sketchy. Just kidding. So guys, I'm in level 35. If I just
and walang casualties
start
sa part
beneath.
military, 4 na tama sa likod. Ayun yung
Go,
initial
go, go.
findings.
Come
Kabilang
on.
din sa mga namatay ang
Come on,
tinatawag
Bones.
nilang TESA
I gotta go,
organizer
gotta
na
go,
sina
gotta
Errol
go. We
at
need 2
estudyante
more
ng
Ks.
UP Open
2 more.
University na si
2K
Moy.
more.
Start siya as yung
One
Bro.
volunteer nung
1
last
K.
elections. From there,
And then, bam!
nagturo sa mga
Level
bata.
up into
Iba-ibang
5.
places na yung mga pinupuntahan.
Bro, sabi mo,
Bulacan,
kill,
tsaka
kill,
Bataan.
Go.
Hindi ako naniniwala na
Mm.
FPA si Morin. Paano natin
Yeah!
malalaman yung totoo?
I died!
Pinatay na nga nila.
Gosh,
eh.
that's
Hindi
also
ko
nothing.
na-imagine na ganun
Hard to
yung
detect.
ganun niya.
Kasama rin sa mga
Baby
nasawi
doll,
ang
I
community
can't
journalist na si
move
RJ
on. I
Ledesma,
can't
30
move on.
anyos.
Baby
Dating
doll.
pinuno ng League of Filipino
Immunization.
Students,
I'm
Bacolod.
outrageous.
Taong
Ow!
2022, naging nominee rin
Guys,
siya
you have to be
para sa
really
Kabataan
careful.
Party List. Nagtrabaho
So
rin
if you
bilang
wanna
manunood
join,
at editor
if you wanna
ng pagdinig
join,
sa alternative
oh gosh,
media na
I'm not
nakabase sa
even
Negros.
in the arena.
Maghatag ng updates sa mga
Then
kailangan niya
I
presinto
think we have to stop
Ang
cheating.
madalas
Ah!
na pinover down ni RJ sa iba't ibang
911. 911. What's
Mga
your emergency?
issue
Look, it's
patungkol sa
911.
land grabbing
Ka,
at sa
kuya.
kalikasan. Kakilala
He
niya
has the
at naging
rainbow.
kaibigan na rin
Kuya,
ang
he has
kapwa
the
niya,
rainbow.
human rights
Guys, he has
activist
the
na si Father Melvin.
rainbow.
Kaya yung nag-expose ng mga balikan ng
Ganda.
He probably buy it for Robux.
He didn't buy it. It's 100K.
I can finally rebuild. Oh, never mind. 60.
Hindi siya kumbatang.
60,
Nakita po natin
20.
yung bandolier po ay pinatong lang.
6,
at hindi siya nakatali.
7.
And at the same time, baliktad po
Go,
yung
go,
nakalagay.
go,
At
go,
wala po
go,
yung hawak
go,
na baril sa RT.
Boom.
Sa picture na pinapa-post sa social
I think I hear him in my back.
Isang linggo pa ang lumipas mula nung nangyari ang
Bro,
insidente sa Tobago nung lumabas ang balita ng pagdinig sa mga napasla.
I think guys we have to
ang
do
dalawang
36 because we keep
Sinalay
doing
ito,
it.
40 anyos mula sa California sa Amerika at Kai Torres, 26 anyos mula naman sa Washington. Mga miyembro raw sila ng anak bayan.
You're the hacker one. What am I supposed to
You're
do?
cheating. You're
Ayon sa
cheating.
pahayag ng kanilang mga pamilya,
I'm not
noong
cheating.
Miyerkules, nagpunta
That is
sa
just
Negros ang dalawa
smart
sa
binding.
paghanap nila
Someone
at
told
kilala
me.
ang
Someone told me,
pinagpugatan
okay?
ng kanilang lahi
Stop
o
doing.
Filipino roots.
Rainbow.
Compassion, curiosity, and
Go.
determination to
Boom.
help more.
Ikaw na-cheat na ganyan ka tapos ako nagagalit. Boom, boom. Okay guys, this is a big jump. Boom. Baby doll, digital station. I'm outcast, outrageous. Why did I? No, let's go, 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 go. Until the way it comes. Gosh. Oh, guys.
Nung kasagsagan ng kaguluhan, napilitang magsipagbakwit ang 6 na
Okay,
mga
okay, okay.
residente ng barangay Salamanca.
I was...
Naibalik na naman sila after 48 hours. No? They were also given the proper provisions.
Murag dili sa siguro safety kay na ako ba mga army ganoon nga monitor sa amo ang area.
Nakausap ko ang kapitan ng barangay, si Romeo Sultan. Ngayon lang daw ito nangyari sa kanilang lugar.
Yung 19 mo na namatay, meron mo bang taga rito?
Actually, mayroon yung bata ko. Beforehand, hindi namin alam na mayroon talagang kasama. Alaman namin na game na. Gusto ko para sa amin kasi kawawa naman mga tao para na-trauma sila. Kasi iba dyan nag 75 years old, 80 years old. Lalo lang na nasa nilang ganyan. Na mayroon pa nga estudyante daw ganyan. Sabi ko, wala man nagkakiti sa amin.
Ayun dalawang
God, I swear, if I die again,
mga banyag.
I'll
Wala
honestly
din. Sabi
quit.
ko nga,
I'll
kung nandito
honestly,
lang sila,
I'll
magpasalamat
actually
kami.
quit this game, and
Kasi
you'll never see
ang
me
kabuhayan namin dito.
getting this
panawagan
game
po
never
kayo?
again.
Sa mga kinaukulan,
Sana naman, hindi na maulit-ulit. Kailangan tulong-tulong ang bawat isa sa atin.
Gosh,
Kasi pag
it's
mangyayari
so
yan,
hard.
hindi makatulong sa atin yan. Tayo ang nagtira sa bayan.
Tinaguri ang Sugar Bowl of the Philippines. Ang
Baby
Isla ng
doll
Negros,
is in
top
stage.
exporter ng asukal
How
sa
did he?
Pilipinas.
He just
Noong dekada
jumped
70,
right to the
ang
end like
buhay ng
this.
mga
Boom,
magsasaka rito,
boom, and
hindi
then boom.
sintamis ng tugo.
Actually, hindi na kami nagulat na nangyari. It was just a matter of time.
Dang.
Nagkaanak-anak na sugat.
You.
Ang Negros. Ang Negros
Punta
ay
na ako.
isang napaka-
Bakit yung wave even though stumble me?
Concentration kasi ng mga landlord. Kumita talaga ng
Oh my
kapit
God,
sa tubo.
it was
At,
in my
napapabayaan nila yung mga
Ah,
ordinary mga
Lord.
sa Negros.
You kasi never run already.
Sa
gosh.
hindi tiyak na presyo ng asukal,
Why the hell? This game is hard.
ng gobyerno ng imported
I literally keep dying over again. I literally have 36 speed, and it was said get 35 speed. Why the what did I do to you, game? What did I do to you?
Labor na halos.
Kuya did something to you, bro. Not me. I didn't do nothing. You keep getting me like I thought I did something. What did I do? What did I do, Boge? Okay? What did I do? Like, guys, actually, what did I do to them?
community journalist
I was literally getting so much good.
Kung ikaw ay, ano ba, malamaliksik or journalist,
Now, let's go.
hindi ka naman bubulong
Boom.
sa
Go, 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 go.
aralin mo. Ano nangyayari? May karapatan tayo
Finally,
na aralin ang
after
lipunan.
so many, oh my gosh.
Na kung kasama ka ng mga
Jeez,
MPA,
so
pupunta ka
much
sa
goodness,
MPA,
guys.
MPA ka na rin.
Sabihin na natin,
Let's do this,
research.
boom.
I was asking the people of that certain sitio, wala namang nagkahalubilo ng mga estudyante na they were saying that they
I need
will be
500
doing
wins,
research. Wala
but
rin
we don't
nakita
go
sa
to
kanila.
that.
Mga amon na
Wala ba?
research
And I,
doon
no,
sa
you're bang.
Tubuco, hindi pa namin nakuha ang result kasi
Back.
din yung
Wala din
researcher
natin keyboard
namin na nanghingi kami ng
Yeah.
tulong na siya pumunta doon na si Argel Lidisma.
sabi rin ho nila, 10 lang daw ho yung miyembro
Oh
nila
my
dun sa
gosh.
19 na namatay.
Oh,
Yun
yeah.
lang daw ho ang
Stop.
armado. Ano hong
You're messing with my
Ah,
brain right now.
Matinding kasinungalingan po yun. Sinasabi nila
Guys,
na
I
yung
think
mga
I need to
minors na
do
nireport
an
nila
IQ
are
test
civilian.
after this.
Narinig naman po natin siguro yung interview ng isang magulang ng minor de edad na mahigit isang buwan na niya.
did I even do to this game? What did I even do to this game, yo?
Yung civilians are not terrorists.
What did I even do to this
Journalists
game?
are not terrorists.
Someone
Students are
is
not
literally
terrorists. But
freaking me
the
out
moment
right now.
na humawak ka ng baril, there's a spectrum of security.
Like, what did I even do to this game?
Nakita natin dito,
I literally
they are
missed
armed,
that
they are
jump.
with this
Like, I did.
terrorist group.
We have previous stories as
Hallelujah.
track record ng security forces, including AFP, including PNP, especially coming from a human rights lawyer. And may track record sila that they plant evidence. They have track record of even staging crime scenes.
So the evidence will speak for itself, no? Ang investigation ay ginakonduct na nga ng another third party entity.
I don't like this game, actually. I don't.
Cooperative dito sa investigation na ito. Nakita nyo naman po yung mga lumabas din po na photos dito.
Guys, if you wanna see more, like and subscribe because I'm gonna take a IQ test.